those that made you think about yourself, those that made you think about the talents that were required, and most important of all, the people who ultimately won. You can take a cue from them and learn something and take home something much more important, that what talent you have and how you can improve it, how you can hone it, and how you can make it better. My best wishes to all of you, and this is the time when you can really come on this front stage and give your best, prove yourself, and get the self-belief that makes you different, that makes you something that others will look up to you. God bless you. Thank you.